Whimsical versus Lucidchart. Which diagram tool wins? Choosing the right diagram tool can completely change how you visualize ideas without wasting time. Whimsical offers simplicity and speed, while Lucidchart brings advanced features and collaboration. Whimsical and Lucidchart are popular diagramming tools designed for visual communication. The core difference lies in Whimsical's focus on quick, intuitive design and lightweight collaboration, whereas Lucidchart emphasizes powerful customization and enterprise-grade team workflows. Whimsical is a web-based diagramming tool built for speed and simplicity. It allows users to create flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and sticky notes with minimal setup. The interface is clean and intuitive, enabling fast sketching of ideas without complex menus. Whimsical supports real-time collaboration, making it easy for small teams or individuals to brainstorm visually. Its strengths lie in ease of use and rapid prototyping, especially for product designers and startup teams. However, it has limitations in advanced diagramming features, such as detailed data linking or extensive integrations. Whimsical is ideal for users who prioritize quick visual communication and want to avoid steep learning curves, especially in creative or agile environments. Lucidchart is a robust diagramming platform designed for detailed and scalable visual workflows. It supports a wide range of diagram types, including flowcharts, org charts, network diagrams, and UML models. Lucidchart offers extensive customization options, advanced shape libraries, and integrations with popular apps like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office. Its real-time collaboration features are built for larger teams and enterprises, providing role-based access and version control. The platform excels in complex projects requiring precision and detailed documentation, but this comes with a steeper learning curve compared to simpler tools. Lucidchart suits professionals and organizations needing powerful diagramming capabilities, combined with strong team management and integration options. Comparing Whimsical and Lucidchart highlights different user needs. Whimsical shines in quick, informal brainstorming sessions or early-stage design with its minimalist interface and easy collaboration. It's perfect for startups or small teams aiming for speed and creativity. Lucidchart, on the other hand, handles complex, formal diagrams well, supporting detailed workflows and enterprise collaboration. Its integration with business tools and advanced features make it ideal for large teams and structured projects. The trade-off is that Lucidchart requires more time to master, while Whimsical may lack depth for technical diagramming. Choosing between them depends on whether you need fast, intuitive visuals or comprehensive, scalable diagramming for professional environments. Choose Whimsical if you want a fast, user-friendly tool for brainstorming and simple diagrams without the complexity of advanced features. Opt for Lucidchart when your projects demand detailed, professional diagrams and seamless integration with enterprise workflows. Both tools excel in their domains, so pick the one that fits your team size and diagramming needs for maximum productivity and clarity.